Hello and welcome to the For Your Best Self podcast. It's Dr. Saluja, dermatologist and co-founder of Dermatology Plus Plastic Surgery. And today I'm excited to discuss the benefits of exosomes in skin health treatments. Regenerative medicine is becoming somewhat of a buzzword in the medical community. And why is that? It's because the human body is specially equipped to heal itself, and regenerative therapies tap into this powerful ability. And this ability can supplement skin health treatments. So exosomes are a tool in regenerative medicine. And patients tend to prefer tools that tap into their own body's abilities. So two key things you'll learn today. One, exosomes are smart things that come in small packages. And two, they harness the skin's natural healing system. So in more detail, what are exosomes? Exosomes are small communication vesicles that cells make in our bodies. And these exosomes carry important proteins, lipids, and genetic material, and it makes them a powerful tool for cells to communicate with one another. In this way, cells can tell other cells what to do based on the type of exosome released. So exosomes that are secreted from stem cells, which is what we care about in aesthetic medicine, the stem cells are the parent cells, and they demonstrate potent repair and regenerative properties when applied to damaged or wounded or aged tissue. So think of stem cells as happy parents that then secrete these happy exosomes that then amplify happiness to the cells around them. And it's this happy repair function of stem cells, of the exosomes from the stem cells that we utilize in aesthetics. So the specific exosome we use in our practice is called AnteAge MDX Exosome Solution. The role that AnteAge MD Exosome Solution plays in our practice is that it's added to other treatments. The treatments exosomes are added to include microneedling, Virtue radiofrequency microneedling, and skin pen microneedling, laser resurfacing, chemical peels, cool peel, and one of our tools called EllaCore, which is a micro-coring tool that removes lax skin. So this exosome addition makes the treatment recovery faster and the treatment more potent. Exosomes' abilities go beyond your own body's concentrated growth factors, things we see in platelet, in PRP, platelet plasma. Those are great, but exosomes are more potent, both in results and in decreasing inflammation. And exosomes really work faster than PRP. So in aesthetics, we want exosomes added to our treatments if possible. Things we look for from exosomes are improved results in anti-aging, in healing, in scarring, in wrinkles and fine lines, tone, texture, and firming, and skin hydration. Can you inject the exosomes into tissue is a question that comes up. We use our exosomes in aesthetics for topical cosmetic use only. We do not inject our exosomes. The FDA does not regulate cosmetic treatments for topical use, and injectable use is not advised. So as a result, we chose the AnteAge Exosome Solution because it has the most studies studying, and it's manufactured here so far. So we feel very confident in the product. Most of our patients are starting their exosome treatments in a series of 3 to 6 treatments, often 1 month apart with annual maintenance. Some treatments like laser resurfacing, CO2 laser resurfacing are not done in a series, but they can be a one-time treatment with less frequent maintenance. The nice part about exosomes versus stem cells is that the price is generally much more reasonable. And the price for exosomes is $300 per treatment, and we offer savings when purchasing 3 or more for best pricing. Additionally, exosomes are safer than stem cells and appropriate for cosmetic use because of this safety. What might a patient visibly see as results after treatment with exosomes and a device? Depending on the treatment, it's normal to see redness on the tissue treated, and exosomes speed up this repair post-treatment. And due to the growth factor recruitment with the exosomes, the anti-aging or aesthetic results are typically seen around the 6 to 8 week mark. So immediately after treatment, the recovery is faster, the healing is faster, and then the anti-aging benefits are going to generally be seen around the 6 to 8 week mark. A question that comes up on exosomes, or really on all treatments we do, is the procedure safe? Yes, is the short answer. 100% of the manufacturing is done in a certified lab in California with our exosome solution. The attention to each and every detail in the manufacturing process allows this solution to confidently deliver a potent, effective, and safe treatment. Another question that comes up is, are there live stem cells present in the exosome solution? And the answer is no. Stem cells are not in the exosome solution. There are no cells in the exosome solution. This exosome solution simply consists of active ingredients that come from cells. And they're put in a filtering process to make the solution pure and to make the solution potent. So what type of exosomes are present in AnteAge Exosome Solution? We talked about exosomes coming from different parent cells, and we talked about the importance of stem cells as being a potential parent cell for exosomes in aesthetic medicine. In this case, we have two sources for the stem cells: human bone marrow stem cells, so coming from human bone marrow, and these exosomes tend to be anti-inflammatory. And then we also have exosomes coming from human umbilical cord derived stem cells. And the umbilical cord stem cell exosomes enhance collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid production, which is what we want in our anti-aging and our regenerative skin treatments. So it's a hybrid exosome that we're using that has two sources, and it allows for that improvement in inflammation and healing, as well as that anti-aging, scarring, skin tone, texture, hydration benefit. Combining these exosomes from the two types allows for the maximum benefit, really, in one treatment. How many exosomes are in the exosome solution? This is just a fun fact because it's really hard to measure. It's hard to fathom. It's measurable. It's hard to fathom. It's 10 billion exosomes are packed in one vial of solution. So, 10 billion growth factors and cytokines and things that regenerate tissue and help with tissue healing is obviously better than 1 million. So we're in good shape with the potency. So why am I talking about this? Well, we traditionally in our practice have used platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, for adding to the treatments I mentioned before, to help with healing and augment results. Then we started also using AnteAge MD stem cell solutions, stem cell cytokine solutions. So where we had growth factors from the cells, again, no cells, but we had growth factors and cytokines. Basically, these are ingredients that are active from cells. And that was a little bit more potent. And now we have exosomes which are much more potent because of how they're manufactured and how they're concentrated. So why not use the most potent product? And there's been a lot of confusion in exosomes because they've been used in other therapies that we are not doing in our practice, such as regeneration in joints or other tissues. We're focused on the skin, focused on aesthetics, and we're focused on using them topically. And the AnteAge MDX Exosome Solution is really meant for this application. So now we have a safe procedure. We have something simple to add. It's more cost effective, and it has the highest concentration of active ingredients. I wanted to talk about this because I think that it's really important that if you're interested in regenerative medicine or anti-aging medicine as it relates to aesthetics, that you consider adding treatments that add exosomes to your skin. So thank you for listening in to learn about the field of regenerative medicine and the tool of exosomes, specifically AnteAge MDX Exosome Solution. I hope you get to experience an aesthetic treatment with exosomes someday. Until next time.